inviting you to kick off your Halloween weekend with a fun activity in the Collar City. So tomorrow from 6 until 9 at night in downtown at Troy, that area will be filled with plenty of spooktacular activities for the entire family. Many of the city's unique shops, galleries, and restaurants will all be open for business.
Costume contests, trick-or-treating, and live pop-up performances like the Thriller Dance performed by the Troy Dance Factory are just some of the fun events planned. The historic St. Paul's Church is even opening its doors for a rare look inside.
You want to see a unique show? There's going to be pop-up music and dance all throughout the district all evening long. You want to get a bit of history, come to St. Paul's Church where we're standing right now and learn about their centuries-old organ. Here's some really spooky, seasonally appropriate music. That's an experience you can have at Troy Night Out too, so there's something for everybody.
Troy Night Out is sponsored by the Downtown Troy Bid. For more information, log on to downtowntroy.org. And Tamani Wooley will have more on this in our next half hour.
And that organ sounds so great. So if you can sneak inside that church, you don't have to sneak, they're opening their doors. But it just sounds so great, especially when they play that creepy music.
Yeah, that's right. It's good stuff.
Awesome.
Put you in the mood. It's great.
Oh, yeah. You know what else puts you in the mood? That means the spooky ghosts and goblins are coming out on Halloween.
It's your favorite time. And it's Troy Night Out. A great combination. Tamani Wooley has some previews for us this morning, and things are looking spooktacular. Hi, Tamani.
Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Julie. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday Eve. As always, I hope this finds you well. And check it out. Downtown Troy wants you to start your Halloween weekend with them. Oh my gosh, you know it's on when you hear that music. Here we are in the 200-year-old St. Paul's Church in downtown Troy. It's one of the many stops that you can stop for Troy Night Out this Friday from 6 to 9. I'm joined by Executive Director Jeff Brault. Good morning and thank you for joining us.
Good morning,
Hey, this is Chris Uhl, everybody. We'll get to him in just a minute, but this is so exciting. Look at the beauty of this church, everybody. Tiffany designed this church. As a Tiffany company, the jewelry. Look at the lamps, look at the windows. This is incredible. I mean, just this is worth it to come out this Friday.
It's one of the unique experiences you can have at Troy Night Out, right? Shops are open late, restaurants, bars, costume contests, candy for the kids, but really neat, unique, one-of-a-kind experiences like the one you can have here at St. Paul's Church with this awesome centuries-old organ. That's what Troy Night Out's all about.
Oh my gosh, and you're going to get a tour here. You can do a guided tour. You can do a self-tour. There's restaurants that you're going to be available to go and patronize and eat at. There's small mom and pop shops that you can, listen, November is Monday. You can start holiday shopping right here in downtown Troy.
The time is now. Don't wait. The time is now to shop small and support local businesses in the capital region.
Right? I love it. So Chris Uhl is 4 years the musical director here at St. Paul's. Good morning and thank you for joining us.
Good morning. Good to
That
be
was
here.
so good. Talk about the beauty of this incredible organ and the history behind it.
This organ is exactly 100 years old this year. It was installed in 1921.
She looks beautiful. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, whoever did her work, I want that doctor. And then up here, there's plenty of pipes. Talk about how many pipes are up there.
There are 3,359 pipes on that side and this side of the church.
Oh my gosh. So you were playing music that all of us know. It always puts chills up in you. And you're going to be playing that this Friday for Troy Night Out. What is it?
Yeah, I am. It's the Bach Cantata in D minor, often used in horror films.
Yes.
And so I will be playing that for the guests.
Oh my gosh, I love it. So before we go, because you guys are still raising money because this church is historic, it's incredible. Tell everybody what it is you need
Yes,
from them.
for the 100th anniversary of the organ, we want to restore it. COVID slowed us down, so we're still raising money, and we would accept any donation.
Yeah, so feel free to do that when you come this Friday. All right, you want to play us out, Chris?
Sure.
Dan and Julie, does that give you chills as you hear that music? That's incredible. So Jeff, just that note, oh my Lord, sorry. You guys know I was in the haunted house this year, so I haven't been right since. What's the rest of this, Jeff? It was something. Where can people go to get all the information of the different shops that are participating?
DowntownTroy.org.
All right, coming up next, everybody, we're going to go to a bakery, some chocolates. How about that? And this shirt's going to give you a clue for our third hour. You don't want to miss it, everybody. That's the latest from here. Chris, I think we need to hear some music. Sending it back to you.
Oh, that's so good.
I like it. Spooky.
I know.
All right, Tamani, thank you. And you know, the next visit with Tamani is chocolate.
I know. Your second favorite. Well, you
yeah.
love Halloween, you love chocolate. Wow, you have it in the morning.
I know. It's a good one. It's not even Friday. Hey, speaking of Halloween out, and it's extra specially spectacular this year.
There will be costume contests, trick-or-treating, and so much more. Tamani Wooley has some previews for us, and here she is. Hey, Tamani.
Good morning, Julie. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday Eve. As always, I hope this finds you well. And check it out. We are at one of the many shops you can come and patronize on Troy Night Out Halloween edition this Friday from 6 to 9. This is Oliver. Oliver, pronounce your last name for me.
Halachek.
And where's it from? What's the origin of it?
Halachek is Czechoslovakia.
Wow, that's good. And you're the owner of Primo Botanica, so congratulations. You've been open for about a year?
Yeah.
So look at this, everybody. Can you believe, Dan and Julie, look at this. These are vegan, all these chocolates. What's this one that you call, Oliver?
That's a Three Musketeers. It's a mushroom Three Musketeers.
Oh, look at how that is. Okay, so Julie, Oliver told me that I'm gonna like this. I was like, Oliver, I don't like mushrooms.
You can't taste the mushrooms.
Okay, all right, here's the test. Ooh, that's good. Oliver.
Oh my god.
You got
She
the
likes
happy
it.
dance. I'm happy. And you know, I'm even more happy because now I can eat this and be like, I'm eating mushrooms.
Right?
So
Exactly.
there's nothing wrong with this. I can have the whole bar.
I was thinking, like, instead of Halloween candy, like, parents can just, like, slip in medicinal
This is
mushrooms
really
instead
good.
of Halloween
You're not
candy.
getting this back. It's this one right
Keep
here.
it, Keep it.
How cute is that? The Three Musketeers. Oh my gosh. So I love your history because you studied anthropology.
Yeah.
And then you also studied nutrition. And how did that form your idea of how to make craft dark chocolate?
Well, I get the idea kind of comes from my study in indigenous diets and just like looking at how people eat in the U.S. is like generally pretty bad because of industrial food.
Mm-hmm.
So I figured making chocolate was the best way to kind of introduce people to more
And it can be
nutrient-dense
delicious.
foods.
First of all, I can't believe this is vegan. This is absolutely fantastic. It's delicious. And dark chocolate is super, super healthy for you. And I love that you source from places and you're honoring, the way that they do their food. So talk about the different flavors that you have here.
Yeah, so we've got a lot for Halloween. We've been like cranking it out. So starting simply, we've got our 68% dark chocolate heart.
Ooh.
We have a dark chocolate truffle. And this is made with our Ecuadorian cacao. We have a turtle. So that's a bourbon turtle made with Albany distilling.
You better
bourbon.
stop it. Dan and Julie, I was going to tell you how much I love you, but Oliver said bourbon, so
Right, so not
bye.
for the kids. Not for the kids.
Not for the
parents.
kids.
And then we have the Incan Sunset. So that's using different Incan ingredients from Peru, Ecuador. Yeah.
Look at that.
Right.
Oh my Lord.
And
That's
vegan.
that bourbon
That's
right in
vegan
there, and that's
caramel.
vegan?
Yeah.
So listen,
That's
guys,
right.
I'm going to help you out. This is a great way to get it on the good side with the ladies in your life. Come get these chocolates. You can tell them it's going to help them out, okay? And there's no better time to start Christmas shopping or holiday shopping or Hanukkah shopping than right now. You're one of many businesses. There's going to be pop-up music. There's going to be restaurants that are open. There's going to be a costume contest. All that kicks off here in downtown Troy starting at 6 o'clock. You can go to downtowntroy.org for a full list of all the participating stores and restaurants. And listen, when you come to Oliver's, what are you going to give them?
You gotta wear a costume and you get a free chocolate, little bone-shaped chocolates.
I love it. Here we go with the bourbon, everybody. Sending it back to you.
You enjoy that, Tamani. Let's see if she gives us the
I
dance.
know.
Is she?
Well,
No, happy.
there's
You
the
got the happy.
If you're getting the happy dance, that means that she loves it. And so this is vegan stuff.
Yeah,
And she's loving it.
yeah.
That means, it means a lot.
And I eat lunch with Tamani a lot, and she does not like mushrooms. The fact she even tried that is great. But you know what? It is Halloween, and if you don't want to go vegan, what is your favorite candy bar?
No, anything chocolate.
Oh, anything.
I mean, anything chocolate. Just give me chocolate. What about you?
Yeah.
You love chocolate.
I like those milk duds, or really anything with chocolate caramel. But we can talk about this all day. We need to check weather on the water. Hey, that means it's time for Troy Night Out Sunday, I mentioned, because it's Halloween. And this year, Troy Night Out is extra spooktacular.
Spooktacular. There will be costume contests, trick-or-treating, and so much more. Tamani Wooley has some previews for us this morning. Hey, Tamani.
Hey, everybody. Hope you're having a great day so far. Happy Friday Eve. As always, I pray this finds you safe and healthy and maybe excited to kick off your Halloween weekend. Well, downtown Troy wants you to do it right here in the Collar City. I'm joined now by Jeff Brault, who's the executive director of the Downtown Troy Bid. And this, everybody, is Nadine Medina, and she has something special coming up in just a minute. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Troy Night Out is this Friday from 6 to 9, and there's all kinds of fun, spooky Halloween-themed things that you guys have going on here.
Shops are open late, bars, restaurants, there's candy for the kids. You can have one-of-a-kind experiences like listening to music from a century-old organ at St. Paul's Church right in downtown. It's going to be a great way
Yeah, with that
to
spooky
start off the
music.
weekend.
Yeah, so good. And kids and adults are invited to dress up in costume.
Absolutely. Several businesses will be handing out candy. It's a great way to get a jump on your trick-or-treat if you're trying to increase the haul.
So how important is it for small businesses to have Troy Night Out?
Well, it's extremely important. It's just a great chance to showcase everything that we have in downtown Troy. One of the best parts about our city, Tamani, you know this. You park the car once, it's free to park, and you can walk to absolutely everything that there is to do.
All right, make sure you dress warm because, you know, fall has officially come. So one of the fabulous things that you guys are going to get to experience is the Thriller Dance, put on after 4 years of a much-missed absence by the Troy Dance Factory. Nadine Medina, you are the owner. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me here.
How good does it feel to be back?
It feels incredible. The timing is right. Everyone's looking for things like this to do. We're very excited.
So it's going to be after 7 o'clock, right on Broadway, so you can come check it out. If you're feeling, you know, adventurous, maybe you want to join. So Jeff said he's not going to join the dance.
Someone has to DJ this party.
All right, so we're going to start. You don't have to be perfect. Nadine is going to count us in, and we're going to see how it goes. Let me know how I do, everybody.
All right, I'll talk you through it. Here we go. 5, 6. Lean hard. Go on. Again. And 5. I love it. Shake, shake, shake. Getting close. Again. Shake, shake, shake. Getting close. We sway. Moving. Again. Big. Here's that rag doll. Step, step, drop, drop, step, step, drop, drop. We turn. Look. Down. Up again. 1, 2,
Check it out, everybody. Are you joining us?
Hit.
You know this part.
Step. Yes. And look up. Jackson.
Love this part.
Step up. Subby. Your favorite.
Hey, look, you can join. This is going to be after 7. This is Elvis.
Hey, here we go. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I thought that was going to be perfect. All right, everybody. Nadine's going to show you how it's really done. But I just want to get my feet wet. Troy Night Out. Go to downtowntroy.org to find a full list of everybody who's participating, all the businesses. Come ready to party. Come ready to be a little spooked. Wear your costumes and also stay friendly and patronize the local mom and pop shops. There you go. Yes. Go, Nadine. Show them how it's done. Oh, that's my favorite move. I love that. Yes, all right, everybody. That's the latest from here. Happy Halloween. Sending it back to you.
All right, Tamani, you did a good job. I think we can do that.
Yeah, let's go.
We need the music. All right, we're doing that. We'll go out in the newsroom and do it. Everybody will say, police stop.
That's a fun song to dance. It's a fun dance. All right, well, let's check Troy Night Out, and it's shaping up to be an evening of spooky fun. Tamani Wooley is there with